Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna talk about whether DeepSeek chat is safe and how you can use DeepSeek chat safely. Right, so the first question is whether DeepSeek chat is safe. So a lot of people have concerns that it is developed by a Chinese company and it will give our data to the Chinese government. So if you're worried about that, think about whether you have signed up for TikTok and you have used TikTok before, or any other Chinese tech product like phones or computers. So I'm currently on a Lenovo ThinkPad computer. It's also from China. So think about that and whether DeepSeek chat is less safe than those devices or those software. However, if you still have some concerns, here are some ways I can make sure that DeepSeek chat is safe. So the first one is to use DeepSeek chat in a web browser. So as you can see, I'm not on my mobile phone. I'm using this DeepSeek chat on a web browser. I think it's more safe. As you can see, you can get DeepSeek chat in the DeepSeek app, so you can download it to your iPhone or Android phone. However, I think it's more safe to use it on a web browser because then you do not download anything to your phone. The second thing you can do is to use an email address or Google account that you do not use for anything personal. So this is a throwaway Gmail account I have, so they can get all the data in that account. I don't really care because it's just a throwaway account. I don't have any personal data in there. Then if you are really concerned, you can also delete all conversation by clicking on my profile and selecting delete all chats. And if you are really worried, what you can also do is click on settings, profile, and click on delete account here, and this will delete all of your data and your account data as well. So all in all, I think DeepSeek chat is still safe, but if you want to make sure that it's really safe, then you can do the things I've mentioned. So use DeepSeek chat in a web browser, do not download the DeepSeek chat app, and you can also delete the data if you're really worried, and use an email address that you do not use for anything else, and then you will be safe. So all in all, this is how you can use DeepSeek chat safely.